Hey guys, it's Alexis, Sofield Leather. I have to find out. I keep forgetting who I'm talking to here. I was gonna say Great Expectations. Hold on. This is part 5, no edit, real time. And somebody text me right when I'm doing this. But this is real time radio strap build. We're almost done, part 4. I did everything. All I gotta do is assemble all these pieces. And man, we are like done. This is probably gonna take 10 minutes. Of course, I'm gonna talk a lot and it's gonna ruin the quick 10-minute video, but the radio holster itself is already done, the bucket. That's done skis, you see? That's done. And we just gotta attach all these little pieces to it, put some conditioner on it, and then that's it. Hold on, hold on, hold on. I'm filming, I'm talking to my mom right now. I'm gonna send her a video as I'm sending a video. Will this work? Mom, I'm filming right now. I'm literally filming a video right now on YouTube, and I'll send you the link so you can watch it. Love you. But yes, they're done. See? Can you see it? Can you see it? Looks really good. Love you. Bye. That's gonna be in the video, and this is a no edit job, so we're stuck with it. All right, let's change the camera, and we just have to assemble. We have to punch out some of the holes on the radio strap itself. And if you guys obviously haven't, I have 4 other parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, on the complete build in real time. So let's go ahead and punch these holes out. I'll change the camera angle, and we'll try to get this under 30 minutes. It should be really only 10 minutes. But let's do this. And let's turn this that way. The problem is it doesn't show, the screen doesn't get inverted. I hate that. It's a pain in the butt. So the holes I use are 5/32 holes. I think I explained that before. And as you can see, these holes are already marked from when we were marking our holes. They're already marked, so all I really have to do is punch them out. I don't know if you can see that. Can you though? Oh, they're already marked. So I'm just gonna punch out these holes that are already marked, basically. This is a part of the radio strap that ties into the buckle piece. And yeah, how about that? That's the part that goes into the buckle. Here's going to be another cord keeper. That's where the cord keeper is going to go. And then here is where the vertical lapel mic is going to go. And then we're going to flip this bad boy around. This is where the other trigger snap goes. Right here. That's it for punching holes. We are done punching holes. Let's take this out. Put that away. And now we are going to start assembling these pieces here. What I'm going to do next is assemble the buckle piece. Well, that fell, but I got it. Don't you fret. Oh man, she's texting me. That's my Mama Dukes right there. Hold on. No problem. No problem. Love you. All right. Here we go. Wait a second. All right, we got the holster done. We're gonna go ahead and work on the buckle piece. You want it shiny brass hardware. I actually have to do an inventory on what I have, what orders I have pending, because I might have to order some more backing leather, which is a 45 ounce. Typically, I like to use 5 ounce for the backing. But if you buy Weaver Leather's Herman Oak backing, their tooling leather, it comes in 1 ounce increments, so 4 to 5 or 5 to 6. But I found that the 4 to 5 is really, it truly is closer to 5. It's like 4.5, and it's perfect. So I have to order a side of that. Hopefully they're not super backed up. We'll see. But I have to do an inventory on what I have going on and if I have enough. All right, now what I'm gonna do next, I should have done this before, it's not a big deal though. I have to go ahead and put in, oh, I actually did. Look, I did this last one. I thought I had to do it. I didn't. See that? I already put those in. I think I did that last video. All right, well, there it is. Now this one, you can orient this the way you want as long as it's uniform. And I always want it to go to the right. So it depends how you wear it, obviously, but it doesn't really matter how you do it. Oh, not that way. Sorry, y'all. I want it to sit like this and flap over that way. I'm just confirming that. Now this part here is going to act as a belt keep. You'll see once I assemble it. But the same piece is going to act as a strap, cord keeper. And I make them like this because you don't have to weave your whole assembly through your cord keep. You can unbuckle this and you can unbuckle this, right? So a lot of cord keepers traditionally, traditionally, you have to weave your whole mic assembly through there. But I like this way better because you could just run your cord the way you normally do and then wrap this around, okay? And some people do this with a line 24 snap. I'm not a big fan of 24 snaps. These hold better, in my opinion. Now the trigger snap. Wow, you can't even see it. This is bad videography. I'm not gonna go all the way down so I could get this square. We're square. And now we are good to go on the assembly here. Okay. And let me back this out just a weeny teeny tiny tot, because now we have to do the buckle and not the buckle, the main strap. This is going to be the not Chicago screw, the trigger snap. Now this part here, this is where the vertical lapel mic is going to go. And I want the flat part of this head I want this flat part of this head to be touching the body. So I'm gonna do this the reverse. That makes sense? And I'm gonna select the good part of this. This piece is a little darker, but I do like that contrast. It is the buck brown, it's just a little darker. But that's just the leather's a little bit imperfect. But I think that little difference is gonna look sharp. I say that because I really don't want to make a new one. But that's part of the craft. You're dealing with a natural product. So I marked that up a little bit, but it'll work its way out. All right, now here is going to be the other cord keep. And what I was saying is I want it to be the same as this. So when you have this set up, I want the orientation of this cord keep to be the same as that one. That's a preference thing, obviously. Same thing here, I'm going to put this on the bottom so it's not touching the customer's body, the nub, even though I don't think that's really an issue. I have to do this the right way, y'all. I'm looking at my other piece to make sure it's the same as this one, and it is. Look, that's it. After this, we're gonna lube it up. And that's it. This is gonna be maybe a 15-minute video. I'll show you the end result, nice video of the product, close-ups and all that. All right, we're gonna put this over there. And what we're gonna do is change the camera angle again. Sorry, y'all. Some Blair Witch action. All right. So now I have this all here. What I want to do now is get my sauce. And we're going to lube this guy up. Just a little bit. Nothing crazy. Now this is a leather conditioner that I make from scratch. And it is basically beeswax, paraffin wax, and neat's foot oil. It's all natural products. Nothing too harsh. All right. And it's just gonna coat it a little bit, give it a little bit of some conditioning here, as well as some water resistance with the beeswax. It helps the water beat off. It's not completely water proof, okay? But I always instruct the guys that after an intense training or sweating or a fire, and you really sweat this in, it's good just to pass over the leather with some kind of conditioner. If it's not mine, then another conditioner, just to keep it from drying out and getting all crackly. That's a real leather term. It's called crackly. And I'm gonna go ahead and do this. Although the sweat and the natural oils from your body does kind of lubricate this. It's weird, but I've gone months without even doing this on my strap, and it feels good. But if you feel it getting dry, it's not gonna hurt. If you feel like you wanna put some on there, it's not gonna hurt it. I'm gonna buff this down a little bit so it looks clean and presentable for you guys. This is just a horsehair brush. Just getting a nice little buff here. That was a really shoddy job of buffing, but I got other things to do. Yeah, that's it. So now I'm going to close this up. And this is the actual cord keeper there. And this is the buckle. Now this is big enough here that you do not have to close it around the strap. It'll slide through. Now, I think he measured 60 inches, so I'm gonna double check real quick that this is 60, but look, see how that sits? See how that just slid right through there? See? I just wanna make sure that this is 60 real quick, hold on. Let's go. So 2 plus 58 is 60. Yep. So that middle hole is what he ordered, 60. So he can go up 3, make it tighter down to 57, or go longer up to 63. So in essence, this is good from 57 to 63. But the middle hole is what he ordered. That's what I typically do. Alrighty. So let me show you what it looks like on, and then I think we're done, y'all. All right. So this is why I like this ring, because what you can do with this ring, one trigger snap there, bring the other one around, and the other trigger snap goes there. Yeah, buddy, let's go. See? I'm not gonna lie, I'm just doing a thumbnail right now. That's really a thumbnail, just for you guys. But that's it, y'all. Thank you for watching. If you guys like these kind of videos, let me know in the comments below. I'll do more of no edit, real-time builds. Just let me know. It's actually easier to edit this because I don't do anything except import the video and put a fader in the back and in the front. Adjust the volume a little bit and makes my life a lot easier. But you have to deal with my rambling. But that's it. If you guys have any questions about this whole build, let me know. And don't forget that I have patterns that you can download that goes with a build along video, as well as kits that you can buy with all the material included. They just ships your way. I have a video with my boys right here that we put one of those kits together. And yeah, if you guys watch that video, it's pretty cool. Well, that's all I got for you. God bless you. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye, Felicia.